All right, everyone. Well, it was another action-packed day today in the U.S. equities markets. And again, I'm commenting on the equities markets really to hopefully add some sanity to what's going on in the news media. We had a record reversal day today. Yesterday as well was just an absolutely huge day in the indexes. And the action that you see here on these lows is really very typical of bottoms that happen in the markets. Let's go ahead and bring up a Dow Industrial so we can see what the Dow 30 did today. From high to low, let's go ahead and mark this off, as unbelievable as it seems, 638 points. So just an absolute massive day in the Dow. If we take a look at the S&P, this is the S&P 500 futures contract. You can see here another huge day. This day as well, unprecedented in the S&P 500, 84 points from high to low. When you see this kind of volatility, especially as we've been talking about over the last few weeks and months, when you see these types of candlesticks where the bottom of the candlestick has this large wick on it, what this represents is the effect of the sellers coming into the market. Okay, so obviously the market's moving down and individuals are selling, causing the market to push down. When you see large reversals like this, this is where there's continued selling pressure forcing the market down, but then buying pressure comes in to turn reverse the market. Like I was discussing a couple of days ago, I think this was possibly Monday night, I was talking about how we've got to watch out for the market reversal here. I would not necessarily expect it to be what's called the typical V bottom where the market does this, although it can. I would expect this to be a bit more of a complex bottom that continues on like this. In other words, the market doesn't reverse and keep going. It reverses for a time, but then you have an area of consolidation. Again, I want to make these comments simply because I know the financial media is going to play up and hype this thing as much as they can. The professional money are going to hire people to get on TV. They're going to put their people on TV. They're going to pick up the phone and call the news media, call their media contacts to try and get things going in the right direction, especially once they're already long. So once the professional money has gone in the market and they've purchased, that's when they'll start calling everybody to talk about how great things are and how awesome this turnaround will really be. Now you can see that the British pound, after the 75-point cut by the Federal Reserve, the move was really rather muted. In fact, the overall downtrend really wasn't even threatened. If we kind of zoom in here on the daily, you can see that we did have one session where the market pushed up considerably, I think 260 pips from high to low here.